Hey guys, welcome back. In the last video, we have learned how we can use center widget to set the widget to the center of the screen. Now in this video, we are going to understand more about theme in Flutter. Keep in mind that theme is the center property by which you can control each and every widget of your application. How you can do that I'm going to make you understand. Remember that here in previous video, we are using color scheme and color scheme we are providing here the deep purple. This color scheme is the modern way to set theme color using material color concept. What is material color concept? If you will go to the Google here this color scheme purple is decided by the material color scheme. What is material color scheme? If you will go to the Google and here you say material color and you will go there, that material design is there and this is done by created by the Google, and it have a automatic color scheme. Like we have a purple, so we have a such kind of a scheme. If you have a tie color, then we have such kind of scheme. So once you decide the scheme, like you decide the purple or you decide the red or you decide the green, automatically the combination of button color, text color, size of text color, everything is decided just by using the concept of theme which you are using. So like I'm using here this deep purple, so automatically button color and text size and everything will be decided by just by using this, because it's a new concept in purple by using material design concept. Okay, now in the previous Flutter application, you will also see that you can change the primary color from here. You will also see that you will use the swatch color, like from here you will put here color. Remember that these are the old way to put the color in Flutter. This is the modern way. One more thing you can also enable, you can say use material and true. So by using this you can enable, and here I need to use this and put there, and you will see that when I will save this, then this application completely use material design concept by using the latest material 3 version. Remember that. Now according to this theme, I can use here a few widgets, like I have here text widget in the center. So suppose I want to enter more widget here, so for that I put this inside the column, and one more item I want to add. This is the center widget. Inside we have text here, and I need to remove this. I will use only text here. I'm not using the center one. So like this. Now I use button here, one more widget. So I say elevated button, and here I give these information also. So I say this information I have, and then I say child in this button text I am passing here, and here I say click me, like that. Save this. Okay, and you see button is coming and text is coming, and I want to give the gap between these two, so I put here size box also. Size box we use to provide extra you can say gap or space between these two components. So I put here, save this, and you will have a gap here. Now I want to put everything in the center of the column, so I say main axis alignment to the center. Press here. You see we are coming here, but I want to put this into the center of the screen also. So once again the column I will put into the center. So these are the few settings that we have to make enable. So by using center widget, that as I explained in the previous video also, that we can put everything into the center of the screen. Now text is enter, we have a gap, we have a button. So you see the color of this button is automatically decided by the this color scheme. You see. And how can I show you? I can show you like that also. Suppose I say style here, and here I put elevated button dot style from here, and here I put background color. Here I put theme, because theme color I will put here. Then context. So the theme primary color I will use. So I say primary color from the theme. Then I say foreground color. Then I will use again theme dot off context. Here I say more color we have, secondary color we have. Now I say on primary, or I can use one more thing, that inside this I say color scheme dot I say primary here. This color I'm using here by using by default this. I save this, and you will see that automatically I'm getting the purple color. You see. Now I want to decide text color also of this text box. So I say style here, and here also I can use theme. I need to put here style, text style, and under this I have a color. So this color I can also change. I say theme dot of context dot, I say theme context dot, and I can put any other color that I want to decide. So I can say color scheme, once again dot, I say on primary we have, on surface we have, try to give this on surface, so black color is coming. So I say we do not have a white color here. I say inverse primary, try to check this also, and you see inverse primary means we have primary color as a purple, and inverse primary of that we have the white color to display information on this. You see, just by putting this theme, I'm using this color. But suppose I want to change now the color of theme. I say color dot, the green I want to use, and I say press this, and you see automatically the theme color of green and the button color is changed. Remember that I am not changing anything anywhere, just because of this theme. Suppose I don't want this, I want blue, or I can say teal type of screen I want. Just press here, automatically you see with the help of this, and it change according to the theme, everything. Suppose I want here red, I say red is there, click here, you see automatically with the theme color red, automatically this color is changed. So here I am not using the perfect color, but I'm giving you example that if you want to choose your color, just decide what color you have in the theme, and according to that you can design your layout. Or once just in a one center place, if you want to change your theme, you can change your theme without any problem here, and automatically you will have the color. Like here I say I want to use yellow type of shade. Click here, automatically you will see that yellow type of shade that link with your app you will have. Just you need to decide what color you want. I say green here. So what color you want, what scheme you want, automatically your app will be converted by this theme. Now one more thing you can have, we have a normal theme here. You can decide the text size of this, like this size is by default is here. I'm using this. So if I want to change the color of this also, so remember I say here style, in place of this style I want to set the theme style. So I say theme dot of context dot text theme dot, I say body last theme I want to set. Just control plus, and you will see the size of this is increase. I say more size I want to set. I say display large, this is the large one. Press here and you will see that large is converting into this. I say theme dot display, or we can say heading small, this is headline. If you want to display, enter, and you will see automatically you have a small headline. I want to say you that just because of the theme which I have taken here, automatically each and every button, every widgets have a default size of text, default you can say font size, font name, color of font, everything we have fixed here just because of this. But if you want to modify this, for example, you want to modify your text theme, so you can modify this also. This headline small, if you want to customize, you want to change this, or suppose we have here this body, by default body medium is there, this one, and save this. Suppose this text is coming here very small, the by default, so you can change this also. You can say that copy with, and here just you put your font size. I say font size is 22. Save this, and you will see that all the information which is available in the theme is coming here, and just by giving your instructions you are changing the font size. Everything is same but changing by the font size. If you want to change the color also, you can change color also. If you don't like this, you say color, and here you can say color dot colors dot red. Suppose I want to give this, so you will see that you will change the color of this also, and by default setting of theme will be there. Or if you don't satisfy by this, means this body medium you want to change permanently in all application, then what you can do inside theme, you say here text theme. Here under this text theme you provide here text theme like this, and here you can say font size. Now here you say which you want to change, body medium. Body medium I want to change, so I say body medium here. Then I say text style, and here I say the color of this should be color, not this colors dot, I say blue I want to set. Remember that. So this color I want to change, and that means this is red color. If I once again compile, so we have a red color because we have override this. But if I remove this from here, that means we will have a blue color, you see, because I have changed this color from here. So like this you can modify your theme, that you can modify for all, means all the widgets which you will use body medium color, that would be blue. But if you want to customize only this property, you can customize by using copy with. So it depends on you how you want to change your theme. Now suppose this is a normal theme. If you want to decide the theme for elevated button, means all the button which you are using here in your application, and you want to change everything and decide from the center place you want to change, you can also use this. For that, what you have to use, just you have a elevated button theme. Remember here you put elevated button theme data like this, and from here you can make setting, remember, and according to that just change this property here. I copy this setting and I paste this setting here like this. Suppose this color I want to change, so I say the color of the background I want to change. I want this color should be green like this. Save this, and you will see that I will have this color as a green color. Color is coming, and I can just change green to red color. Save this, elevated color, background color, and I remove this property from here now, background color, because I have changed this color. I'm not using primary color. Save this, and you see that red color I am getting here because of the theme property I have changed. So similarly you can change the theme property by default for your all buttons, all component, all widgets which you want. Plus if you want to set a dark theme or light theme, you can also do that. Suppose we have a black theme, so I say dark theme. So same setting you can use for dark theme also, theme data like that. Suppose you want to set some property for this, so I say color scheme, not a color scheme, because color scheme already we have a black in dark theme. So this text style I'm using here, so I make copy here and put here. So I want text theme of body medium should be white, because blue is not visible on white. So I say should be white, text color should be white like this. So remember that these are the customization. So now I can decide which type of theme you want to use. So I say theme mode. So I say theme mode here, and here I say theme theme mode dot system. Remember this I want to decide. So if I say theme mode dot system, automatically whatever your mobile phone have, if you have a dark theme, then automatically these setting will be enabled, which you will set in the dark theme. Or if you say light theme, then the light theme will be decided. It depends on the system Android theme which you are using. Automatically your theme will convert into black or light. It depends on you. Otherwise, if you don't want to set here system theme, you can say theme dot dark. You can set dark also. Press this, and you will see automatically dark theme is coming here now. Because of the dark theme, we have color. You see, change white color of text theme. So coming here, or automatically color is change because of the dark theme. But if I say light theme, again save this. So all the property which I have set in the light theme, that will come. You see, it depends on you. Or if you say system here, automatically which you set in Android, that will come. So in this video I don't have so much of time to explain each and every, because the property is not easy to remember every time in a mind. Just you take the reference of documentation also, because there are lots of code, lots of properties are available. Just copy paste those setting in dark theme whatever you want, and in the light theme whatever you want. Remember that this is most important part of any application to manage your themes. So I have explained you that you can set your theme setting for dark theme here and for light theme here. By default we have this. You can decide what theme you want by using theme mode.system. It's a simple setting. As per the setting of your system, you will get the light or white theme. But if you don't want to use dark theme, just remove the setting of dark theme and put here by default light. Theme mode is light. Otherwise, if you will enable a dark theme in system, and you are not making any setting here, so by default setting will work. Remember that. So you have to remove this and you have to set here light by default. So depend on you what kind of setting you want to make for your theme. So these things which I have explained in this video are the fundamental concept to make you enable that everything is available in a theme. So theme is a central property. From this central property you can manage each and every widget's font size, font type, color, background color, foreground color, size of the widgets, everything you can manage centrally also, or you can bypass centrally, you can say setting also by using copy with. So anything whatever you want to modify, put here, you can modify that also, or if permanently you want to modify, just modify like this, which I have explained here. Like this you can also modify it. Now it depends on you what you want. I have explained each and every concept how you can customize your theme as per your requirement. So that's all here in this video. Thank you for watching this.